I'm here with some food truck vendors, and I'm going to turn it over. So, can you tell us your name and a little about yourself?
My name is Travis Bradford. I have been cooking since I was maybe 12. My mother could not, so it was to save myself and my brother. Somebody had to learn.
Right.
So yeah, been doing this, especially breakfast foods, for a very long time.
Oh, that's wonderful. So, tell us the name of your food truck.
The breakfast pirate ship. My wife, when I met her, did not like breakfast at all. She was not a breakfast person. She now eats breakfast. So when we decided that I was going to leave a job I had for 24 years, that if we were going to do this, this is what we should do. And if I can convince her to like breakfast, then I can convince everybody to like it.
And I actually tried a sample earlier, and it stopped me in my tracks. And
Well,
that's what brought me back. I was like, oh, wait a minute now. We
yeah,
got a game changer here.
that's what goes into our sea monster breakfast burrito and our breakfast bowl, the frozen. Absolutely. We spent about 3 months getting that just right.
Right. Man, it is really flavorful.
A
I
lot of
mean,
people in uniform, police officers, EMS, firefighters, they really enjoy it. I
yeah,
don't even ask them what they want, I ask them how many.
that's great. So, and how long has this truck been active?
We've only been active since November 4th of last year,
Okay,
so
so
we're relatively new.
not a full year yet, but it's coming. And what is your favorite?
My favorite is